Mabuhay and welcome to another unboxing video. To my right, as you can see, it looks like a typical Starex van, but it's not. This, ladies and gentlemen, is AutoAccess's take on the popular van, the 2020 Starex Platinum G6, and we're gonna see what's so special about it. On the looks department, like I said earlier on, it looks like your typical Starex van, apart from the fact that over at the back you've got a badge that says Platinum G6. And it's not a bad thing. The Starex wasn't a bad van to look at to begin with. And besides, how does that old saying go? It doesn't matter what's on the outside, but what matters is on the inside, which we're gonna show you now. Before we even get inside though, I think we have to point out that the theatrics and the special features of the van start even before you get inside. As you can see, you've got an automatic sliding door and an automatic step board that, of course, helps you get in easier. As you can see by the inside, this is where the Platinum G6 sets itself apart from the normal Starex. What you've got is a very luxuriously appointed interior that has wooden floors, privacy windows, leather everywhere, and I mean everywhere, including the roof lining here. And you've got these two armchairs, and over at the back you've got a third row that turns into a bed actually. We'll show you that later on. For the two armrests here, you have seat massagers, you've got USB charging ports, of course the adjustments for the seat and the various angles where you're most comfortable. You've got foot rests. You've got this nice cup holder that has a heating and cooling function. Judging by the look of things, obviously I don't have to tell you much. You can see it for yourselves that the interior of the Platinum G6 is really nice and comfortable. And it wouldn't be something you wouldn't mind going about your daily life in, especially in Metro Manila where it's hot and the traffic's pretty bad. But yes, the interior, top notch. But before I forget, the Platinum G6 has another trick up its sleeve. As you can see, the light has turned off and now I've got this Starlight breathing light pattern over here on the roof lining. I mean, you'll better appreciate it at night where you can lay back here and look up and be completely mesmerized and relaxed by the breathing pattern. And that's basically it for the interior. All I can say is that all the elements put together make up for something very unique and make up for something very luxurious and comfortable. Something truly worth every peso you'd probably spend on this van. Guys, excuse me. Can you turn it down a little bit, please? Just to give you an idea of what it feels like to be here on the third row, which I mentioned earlier that can fold flat into a bed. I don't know, maybe you're not satisfied with the reclining of the second row and you want to take a deeper nap. And I'm pleased to say that it's a very comfortable place to sit at. And I'm a big person and it doesn't feel flimsy or like it's not. It feels like a pretty good place to, like I said, take a nap in. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to take that nap. As a package, I've mentioned it over the course of this whole video a lot, that this van has a lot to offer you, especially if you're after privacy, luxury, and comfort. And this whole thing, you may ask, how much does it cost? And it comes in at just a little over 3 million pesos. And if that's something you're okay with and you truly want something like this, maybe you should head over to the AutoAccess dealership on West Ave in Quezon City, Or better yet, go check out their Facebook page online. And please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below if you like this video, of course. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. And ladies and gentlemen, sorry, but I'd like to experience this van as a whole, so I'm gonna excuse myself already. This has been Pablo Salapantano of AutoIndustriya.
Are you ready to go, sir?
Yes, Calvin, I'm good to go. Paalam.